All right, what's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a great day. Yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys had a good trading day. Followed your system and everything like that. Today, for me, I did not do that, unfortunately. Yeah, today was just a very tricky day. Honestly, a very rough day for me outside of a little bit outside the market and then inside, but no excuses. But yeah, so I was just gonna go over, today, for me, and things like that. So I took two trades on NQ. I'm just gonna kind of show you like my journal entry for like the day, uh, and then we can look at the charts, just to like show you like what I should have done for the day, and then what I actually did. So starting off, I went into the day with a bullish bias. We had a bearish SMT on the 4 hour and daily time frames. Um, this was from a few weeks ago that this SMT was formed, or that high was put in, and price had taken the high on ES and not NQ. So that's where the SMT was, a divergence. Um, but price had not broken structure to the downside yet. So it's on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, and that's what I need in order for me. If we're uptrending on the 4 hour, I'm still willing to sell or take shorts, but we have to be on a downtrend on the 1 hour. So that would be a counter trend trade for me. But we were in a bit of a ranging market as there was no break of structure. So we were still in an uptrend, but there was no break of structure to the upside yet, that I could see happening. But sorry, let me check this. Um, yeah, so price ended up rallying at New York Stock Exchange Open. I was thinking that the daily objective was going to be completed. I was looking for a low to get taken, and then go long and take out the external high, to fulfill or to break the SMT actually, because I was very bullish on price. So right after price rallied up, we get the sell off, and it's a very huge sell off. So it breaks the 1 hour structure, not 4 hour, but the 1 hour, and I um I was quite just shocked at how like the market just went straight up and then straight down, in that fashion. No really build up or setup that was formed that was high probability. I can show you guys on like the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, if you look here, so we go up and then we go down, like we go down right after, which was just very odd. We sold off into the 38.2% price reversal zone, on the fib. I had a fib drawn on the 1 hour, and then when price, reached that level, it also took out a 15-minute low. Took out this low here. Took out this low. Price takes out the low. At this point, I'm looking for long positions to come back up here, but I'm looking at all the bearish movement and the bearish momentum that price had displayed. So for me, I was like, this isn't high probability. I don't really like it. Um, and as you can see, these are the SMTs here. So we had an SMT on the 4 hour and daily, and then we had another SMT on the 1 hour here, and then here price had taken this high, price hadn't taken this high. So I just didn't have high conviction in this trade, honestly. Um, Let me go to the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, oh, this is the 5 minute. Do I have a 1 minute? Let me put a 1 minute. I'll put a 1 minute thing in. I'll show you guys a little bit later. But we had an imbalance here. Price, was respecting it. I was just looking at structure, and I'm thinking, okay, this is just going to be a lower high that's put in, and then we break structure to the downside, keep continuing, downward flow, bearish flow. As you can see, that did not happen. Um, I should have entered this with at least one contract to be taken off here, or my full size to be taken off here, and stops right under the imbalance. That's what I should have done. Uh, Looking back at it, that was the smartest thing to do, because if price had broken to the downside here, broken down here, probably would have taken this low, and then if another opportunity presented itself, I could have taken that with higher conviction. But but yeah, I didn't take this. What I ended up doing was I ended up taking two bad trades, two shorts, even though I was long on, I was bullish on the day, and price Price came up. I see it, wicking. Let me just go to trading view so you guys can see. Let's move this. Okay, so I should have taken this position here, but I take this instead, thinking that, okay, we swept this. This might actually be a sell model, because of all the bearish pressure that we had, gotten on like the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour 15-minute time frame. So we get this huge, bearish impulse, and then going down to the 15, it's even more evident. We're breaking all these structures. But we did take this low, so I don't know why I was thinking, okay, we just need to sell more. No, that's not what I need to do. If anything, I missed that move, I should just stay out. But on the 5-minute, the 5-minute looks like down to the 1 minute. I'm thinking, oh, like we swept this high. We're gonna go back lower and we're gonna take this low, and then a better buy model would be formed. Because I did not like this. This is the trade that I should have taken here. Price takes sweeps 15-minute low. Impulse to the upside, displacement to the upside with a imbalance. Price comes, respects it. Should have just entered off this candle. Any of these. I mean, I had so much time to enter this, so much time, but I didn't do that. This was a FOMO trade. Both of these were. First off, taking this trade, I'm not really mad at the technicals. It looks good, but if my daily objective is in the opposite of direction of the trade I'm taking, then I shouldn't be taking that trade. Tried, shorting this, get stopped out. I'm okay with this. Honestly, this loss doesn't make me upset. I don't like it, but it doesn't make me upset at my performance. But the thing is, I should have asked myself, okay, if I had taken this position like I should have, would I even be taking this short position? Would I be shorting now? No, I wouldn't have been. I would have had stops at break even, and I would have let the trade run. So, or I would have taken profit anywhere up right around here. So that, to me, that just shows me like I had no reason to be taking this position here. So that's dealt with. I take this loss. I'll admit I went into the market today with a little bit more of on a negative mindset, dealing with just outside emotions, things like that. At this point, I realized, or I started trading to make myself feel better, which you should never do, which I should not do. Anybody that watches these videos should not do. Please don't do it. I'm thinking, we sweep this high, and price just needs another chance to sell off. We just need another chance to sell off, and I'll be able to recoup that $20 loss I took. Like, it was like a $20 loss. End up shorting here. Once price runs through this, I'm like, okay, this is a bad position. While I was in it, I was like, okay, this is not a good position. But I was like, I'm already in it. I should have just closed. Realistically, I really should have just closed. I was focused on the money, trying to feel better. But yeah, so like what I should have done if, let me replay. What I should have done, price is here. Once price does this, I should have just entered. Stops right under the imbalance, so probably right at the breaker candle. TP somewhere right around here. I could have had it set. Maybe I wouldn't have had it set, but once price reached the level, then I could have just moved stops to break even and let it run, because ideally the draw is this high here. To see that get taken, I would have liked to see that get taken, or anywhere within this imbalance, or even this broken support and resistance level that was broken through. So here, and at least take profit would have been here to here, or here, but ideally, like most likely, would have been here. I could have had stops at break even once price reached, that 1-to-1 area, taking that high, just to de-risk the position. I should have just done that. And then I could have closed once I started seeing, price coming back down. It would have been very close to break even. I don't think it would have. I think it might have touched it, but then as you can see, I did what I did. So what I learned really from this is just when I'm, especially this second trade here that I took. I didn't take this. This second trade that I took here, I just need to ask myself, would I be taking that if would I be taking that if I had taken this long here like I should have? No, I wouldn't have. So therefore, I'm taking this trying to make money off of the money that I missed. I didn't take the position that I was looking for. So that's it. Like that's it for the day. I should just close it, even though it's not 12 yet. I should just close it and call it a day. I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. Um, I just have to be better about that. I'm gonna be better about that. So um, I hope you guys enjoyed. I can show you guys my Notion real quick. The stats on the trades. So it's these two trades here, or I have one of them. One of them is put in. Let me reload. Yeah, so I just have to be better about that. Also, I have a rule for myself where if I like put money into my account on a monthly basis, and if I don't follow my rules I have to follow my rules for at least 90% of the month in order to put more money into my account at the beginning of the following month. Now for the month of August, I have not followed my system for 3 days, and I just rounded down to 30 days a month. So there's 30 days in a month, and I didn't follow my plan for um, 3 of the days. Now for the rest of this month, I have to follow my system. Otherwise, I can't put money into my account. I'll have to extend that time horizon. So it's just something to keep me honest with myself, to make sure that I'm following my plan. So yeah, like today was unnecessary. Every single time that you see that I don't follow my plan, I lose money. Um, so yeah, that's why like I really am focused on like the followed, not followed, things like that. Um, but yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll make another one of these tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys had a good day trading. Also, I have a Discord in the link down below. It's totally free. I don't send signals or anything. It's just a group of us. Some of us trade options. Some of us trade, currencies. Some of us trade commodities, and I trade futures. So it's just a group I started to, speak to like-minded people throughout the day. As you know, that can be kind of hard, learning how to trade or even trading full time. So please join. We always want to, have new people in our group and things like that. So, yeah, I'll learn from these mistakes. Talk to you guys again soon. All right.